you, Grandma. Happy birthday. I love you.
Say it again. Grandma.
Grandpa.
Good girl, Grandma.
Grandpa. Turkey.
Steffi and Mikey?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you go to their house?
Yes.
What'd you do at their house?
Doggies.
You played with the doggies?
Yes.
Wow. And the swing?
Yes.
What else did you do?
Sorry.
You played?
Hi, Stubbies.
You played at Steffi's? Did you see Mikey there?
Yes.
Yes. What else did you do? Who's your boyfriend?
Papa.
Brett Favre is your boyfriend? Wow. What do we say to Brett? What do we say to Brett? What do we say? Good girl, what do we say?
Papa, go.
Go, Brett, go. Good girl. Say bye.
I love you, Grandma. And I love you to the store and the grass and the moon and the stars again.